nibble, nibble. To take small bites of food. The rabbit nibbled the strawberry slowly. The squirrel nibbled on a peanut. Drench, drench. Completely wet. The poor cat is drenched. He doesn't like bath time. I got drenched in the rain without an umbrella. Leak, leak. Drip water through a hole. Oh no! The roof is leaking. We need to fix it. Oil leaked from the car engine. Alter, alter. Change and fix. I need to alter the length of these jeans. She altered her hairstyle for a fresh look. Squabbling, squabbling. Arguing. My neighbors are squabbling again. They're so loud. The kids were squabbling over the last cookie. Stink, stink. Smell very bad. Oh no! My husband's socks stink. The garbage stinks. Please take it out. Indulge, indulge. To treat yourself to something nice. John indulged himself with a nice massage. Layla likes to indulge in long hot showers. Strand, strand. Unable to leave. George was stranded on a small island. Mike was stranded in traffic for hours. Offend, offend. To hurt someone through what you say or do. Sarah was offended by Emily's rude comment. Emily realizes that she offended Sarah with her words. Glance. Glance. To look briefly at something. Brenda was upset when Steve glanced at pretty girl on the street. John gave a quick glance at the menu. Assault. Assault. To attack. I can't believe she assaulted Kim like that. He was assaulted without warning in the street. Defy. Defy. To refuse to obey. Colin often defies the rules at his college. The children defied the teacher and ran outside. Dread. Dread. To be afraid of something that you must do. Frank dreads going to the dentist. He can't swim and dreads going in the water. Groan. Groan. Make a sound of pain or unhappy. Yon groaned when he heard he would have extra homework over the weekend. Thomas groaned when the other team scored. Soar. Soar. Rise to a very high level. Eagles soar above the mountains. The cost of fuel has soared recently. Plunge. Plunge. To fall or drop suddenly. Jack plunged into the cold river. The truck plunged off the icy road. Emerge. Emerge. To come out into view. The sun emerged from behind the clouds. The polar bear emerged from the icy water. Persuade. Persuade. To convince someone. Sophia persuaded her parents to let her travel alone. Ethan persuaded her sister to help with the chores. Unwind. Unwind. Relax. Get rid of stress. Carl likes to unwind by playing video games with his son. We went to the beach to unwind and enjoy the sunset. Approach. Approach. To move closer to someone or something. Liam approached the receptionist's desk to ask a question. Noah approached the dog slowly.